Let's take a tour of the Girl Scouts Heart of Central California website, looking at key sections and where to find information. To get to the website, you're going to go to girlscoutshcc.org. Once you're on the website, you'll see that on the top right-hand side, there's some quick links to help you find key sections. If you click Contact, it'll pull up information on how to reach our customer care team. There's also a form embedded on this page that you can enter your question, how you want to be contacted back, and submit it to the office. And that will notify our customer care team and they will get back to you. The virtual link will take you to key information about our virtual programming. We've been posting the week's upcoming activities, as well as other events that are happening and resources for doing Girl Scout programming at home. The Forms and Documents link will take you to key forms and documents. A lot of these are where you're going to find forms used by volunteers and troop leaders, but there are quick links here to information about financial assistance, as well as our council and national guidelines under volunteer essentials and safety activity checkpoints. There's also information about the shop. You can download shop order forms here or click to shop online. On the main bar, if you click on the About tab, you're going to read more information about the Girl Scout programming and who we are as an organization. You can read more about the different grade levels that there are, ways to participate, and our awards. You'll also see information about our history as an organization. Under highest awards, you're going to find information about the highest awards that Girl Scouts can earn. Girl Scouts in 4th and 5th grade can earn the Girl Scout Bronze Award. Girl Scouts in 6th through 8th grade can earn the Girl Scout Silver Award, and Girl Scouts in 9th through 12th grade can earn the Gold Award. All of the information on how to earn these awards is listed under Highest Awards on the About tab. If you move to the Our Council tab, you're going to find specific information about Girl Scouts Heart of Central California. You're going to see our council map covering the areas that we serve. You can read more about our CEO. You can reserve our facilities and find out more about some of our key programs. The Volunteer tab includes a lot of information on how to volunteer with Girl Scouts Heart of Central California, different opportunities to volunteer, as well as a special section for troop leaders. The Activities tab includes our activities list and activities calendar with different activities that we are offering as a council. You might also find information about upcoming large events. We have a section with badge blueprints and journey jams to help facilitate doing Girl Scout activities at home. You'll also find information about our program partners and approved outfitters. The Outdoor tab includes information about our outdoor programs, including resident camp, day camp, expeditions, and more. The Cookies Plus tab includes information about our product programs. Cookie product program information is available during the cookie program, and fall product program information is available during the fall product program. The Donate tab outlines ways that you can give to the Girl Scouts Heart of Central California. You can also review who our supporters are and what we've been doing. Finally, on the far right, there's the link to your MyGS. This is your section where you're going to find specific information about your membership and any activities you're registered for. You would select Member Profile once you're logged into your MyGS account. You can review memberships that you have. If you are a troop leader, you can see what troop you are involved with. Your family profile shows people in your household. And my activity shows the activities that you're registered for and past activities. Thank you for watching this video on our Girl Scouts Heart of Central California website. If you have any difficulty, you can always contact our customer care team and they can help you.